Tesla switch installation video. First, you gotta take this panel off, just stick it in here and pry it out with some force. It should pop right out. There's a clip here, so use this tool to pull that clip out first. First, grab the wires we need to install. Then, find the spots where we'll connect them. Next, look for the original car's plug. Once you've found it, just plug in our wires. After that, find another plug from the car, unplug it, and swap it with the one we need. And that's it, all set. Last step, just shove all the wires inside, keep one long wire out. After that, slide the connectors into the gaps along the edges. There's a clip we need to secure, so grab the one we took off earlier and snap it back in. First, put in the big clip, then slide the small clip into the middle. Finally, attach the panel we took off earlier. Don't forget to put the edge trim back in place. That's it, we've got the front half done. Run the wires along the gaps inside until you get to the steering wheel. Then, open up the steering adjustment and pull it down. Once it's out, use the prying tool to pop it out. Do the same on the other side. After that, take off the original cover. There are two installation methods available. The first installation method is to use the kick screw we provided for installation. First, remove these two existing screws. After disassembling it, align it in the correct position and install our machine. Finally, reinstall the removed screws and the installation is complete. The second installation method is to directly fix it with a fixed rod. After you take it apart, grab the prep cord and thread it through. Do the same on the other side. Now, take the main unit and plug it into the hole, pushing it up a bit, that's good. Do the same on the other side. Once that's done, secure the main unit. There's a positioning clip, so make sure it locks in place. Next, we need to tighten everything up. So pull its nut. Once it's secure, use scissors to cut the extra wires. Leave a bit of length on one wire and tape it down. Finally, align the cover you took off earlier and snap it back into place. Press it down to secure it, and you're all done.